Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify WooCommerce webhooks using secret keys step by step clearly. To verify WooCommerce webhooks using secret keys, follow these steps. First, log in to your WooCommerce account. Navigate to the settings section in your WooCommerce dashboard. Click on the Advanced tab located at the top. Next, select webhooks from the submenu that appears. Here, you will see a list of existing webhooks. Choose the webhook you want to verify or create a new one. If creating a new webhook, fill in the required details. Make sure to set a unique secret key under the secret field. Once you have your webhook set up, note the secret key you just created. Now, open your preferred code editor or platform to handle the incoming webhook requests. In your code, capture the incoming request data. Extract the signature header, which is sent with the webhook. Next, create a hash using the secret key and the raw request body. Use a method compatible with the signature encryption, typically MAC SHA-256. Compare the generated hash with the signature from the header. If they match, the webhook is verified successfully. If they do not match, the webhook cannot be trusted. Implement error handling for verification failures. Consider logging verification attempts for better monitoring. Test the webhook to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Once testing is complete, your WooCommerce webhook is ready for use. Proceed to integrate it with your desired application or service. You have now successfully verified WooCommerce webhooks using secret keys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.